Hi, Jeff Lerner here, and I'm here to share with you 6 digital skills that will pay off big time. And what do I mean by this? Well, there are over 4.5 billion users on the internet as of December 2019, and this number will continue to grow. The time is now to jump on board and up-level your skills in the digital world. So if you're not sure what skills are going viral or where to learn them, I'm here to help you. It's time to learn. It could be a new hobby, a course, whatever you came here to learn in this video. Let's get started. Number 1 is digital psychology. And what I mean by that is I mean being able to connect with people. The art of digital marketing is about knowing the people that you're offering a product or skill to. See, today, people are not just purchasing things after one click. I mean, there are so many choices out there. They are scrolling different social media pages, looking at websites, and even YouTube clips just like this one. And all people are looking for the same thing. And what it is trust. So to be able to connect to your clients is paramount for your business. Around 95% of all purchasing is subconscious, and choices are based on a set of psychological connections. You may see an ad of a man who possesses the qualities of your grandfather, and somehow you're attracted to his wisdom like it's something innate within you, just saying, yeah, I trust him, and what is he offering? I don't know, but I want it. And it's your job to be able to use the art of storytelling, real stories I mean, to connect with your clients. Your role is to help them, just like I'm helping you now to understand. Now stay tuned until the end of this training, as I want to link you up with some free training related to digital psychology. The second skill to know is the opposite of what I've just explained. It's actually called data science or digital analytics. So while you need to understand the needs of your client, you also have to know the numbers and the statistics of what you're offering and how it's working with them. An example of this would be looking at data like Google Analytics that shows you number of clicks, number of views, traffic, etc. So why learn that? Well, you learn it so you can make more effective data-driven decisions and be smarter with your time, focusing on what works and scrapping what doesn't work. If you can learn to read the data, the number of visitors, and all the other data points, you can maximize your results, and that means more dollars in the pocket for you and better service for them. If this all sounds overwhelming, rest assured it can be learned. In fact, subscribe to my channel and I will offer some training specifically on this topic. And the third skill you need to know is how to create assets right now using funnels. To earn money doing things like affiliate marketing and e-commerce where you're advertising products, a funnel is the best option because funnels equal sales. It's an easy way to track your sales through links, and you can learn skills like upsells, downsells, and things that happen as people move through the funnel. And funnels are so important because ad costs keep rising. And a great tool to learn for this is called ClickFunnels. I personally use this tool, and I can help you learn if you want through some of the courses that I offer inside Entre, my community, Entre Nation. And the fourth skill is actually front-end code. You can get away without knowing front-end code, and there are an abundance of code-free tools and solutions. But if you learn this, then you're gonna have access to so many other digital opportunities. It's so easy to make the exact changes that you want to landing pages, even if you're building them with the code-free tools. And you can also understand things like tracking codes, analytics codes, and a lot of the plugins that really power this industry. Okay, so now get really excited because we are getting to where the big dollars are made. Number 5 is what you're seeing right now. Yes, I mean YouTube. I mean leveraging video. With all the evergreen content out there, Vimeo, YouTube, LinkedIn, Facebook, video is now the way to build authority. And what do I mean by authority? I mean your audience. I mean being heard. I mean getting followers. I mean you being able to be paid just for being you. In fact, you can be paid to produce videos of others or just use slides if you don't even want to be the one in front of the camera. And you can build a much more engaging community using video than almost any other avenue out there. And also, once you have a good number of likes and subscribers, you can opt in to run paid advertisements on your channel. And that is where the real money lies. And the final digital skill that you need to get started on right now, I believe, is podcasting. Now, you may be thinking, podcasting? Well, look, it hasn't actually taken off in the United States as much as it has in Asia and countries like China, but it is still growing here even at a very rapid pace. People listen to podcasts everywhere they go. And the thing about podcasts is the people who listen to them are super engaged. And they're typically people who have a higher income percentage-wise than other platforms. High income earners are listening to podcasts more than any other marketing channels out there, which makes it a great audience to target. And all you need to do is record an audio with good sound quality and then create an MP3 using a software like Audacity, then upload it. I recommend Anchor.fm. Already, iTunes has an audience of over 1 billion subscribers, and that number is increasing every day. Podcasting is only going to get more competitive in the next 3 or 4 years, so I believe it's good to get started now. It may take a long time before you see the fruits from your labor, but it is absolutely going to be worth it. So if you're pumped and you're ready to learn some of these digital skills, I have a free training that will guide you further. Just click the link below. And remember, I also promised a way to help with the digital psychology thing. Well, you can actually join our community of people here in my community Entra to share ideas and get feedback and actually have a way to test your ideas before you go out and set up your digital business. You can work on up-leveling your skills, developing your mindset around money, learning skills like funnel building and everything else that we offer. We have so many people like you in the community who just want to know how to get started, but also we have experienced 6, 7, 8, even 9-figure earners that you can bounce ideas off of. Remember, just take steps. Anything, start small, but think big. It will pay over time. I am living proof of that, okay? This is Jeff Lerner signing off. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you click the bell so you get notified as I release new videos. And if you have any more questions or comments, please post them below. I'm here to assist you with anything you need. You might also really enjoy my video, How to Become a Millionaire as Fast as Possible. So just click the link to access that. Again, this is Jeff Lerner. Bye for now. I will see you in the next video.